everyone, my name is May. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Just a little intro about myself. I am a Navy wife and my husband is currently stationed in Okinawa, Japan, and I'm also an elementary school teacher in a Christian school in Okinawa. But now I'm in the Philippines because I attended my mom's funeral, and that's really the reason why I'm starting this YouTube channel. So our mom was diagnosed with cervical cancer in 2016, and from the time on, my brother and I did tons and tons of research on what causes cancer, and if not be able to quickly treat it, at least to prevent it. So besides diet, lifestyle, or lack of exercise, and the environment, the major reason why there's cancer is stress. So we are really encouraging you to take things easily, to relax, and it's also biblical to have a day of rest, because when God created the world and the universe in 6 days, He rested on the 7th. I'm not 100% vegan nor I'm vegetarian, but I'm just trying my best to eat more healthily because I found out that one of the reasons for cancer is the things that you use every day, or the things that you put on your skin or on your body, or the food that you take in or put in your body. Now I'm going to share to you a product that they have here in the Philippines that's well known for their 100% organic and natural skincare hair products, and that is Human Heart Nature. So just today I signed up as a member. So to become a member, you just have to purchase $799 worth of net products, and so they have what they call immunity for 3 months. You are not obliged to buy any other products, but still you are active. But after that, you have to purchase $799 worth of net products to stay active, for your subscription or your membership to stay active. So now I'm going to share to you the products I got today, and one of them is this Human Heart Nature Natural for Men. It's 2-in-1 active because it's body wash and shampoo in one, because you know guys, what they use for the hair is also what they use for the bodies, so it is really perfect for them. So it is color black because it is with purifying bamboo charcoal, and it smells amazing. It smells like peppermint because it has cooling peppermint. It has no harmful come on, I don't know how to speak. So there's no harmful chemicals, SLS/SLES free, silicone free, paraben free. So I still have to learn all of those SLS's and all of those acronyms, so please bear with me. So we're learning together, guys. And it's also cruelty free and vegan, 99.3% natural. So 2-in-1 active body wash. Next is this humongous feminine wash. Natural feminine wash. It's chamomile fresh, no harmful chemicals. Its pH is 3.5 to 4.5. It's sulfate free, paraben free, and PEG free. And again, I need to learn what PEG stands for. It's again cruelty free and vegan. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that what also amazed me was when I was looking at the expiration date, I saw Bible verses under it. Amazing. It says Jeremiah 29:11. I don't know if you can clearly see it. Okay. Yeah. And next product is Human Heart Nature 100% natural body butter. Body. Pronounce it right. Body butter. Vanilla peach. The packet itself is already smell like vanilla and peach, and it's orange. I love vanilla. So it has intense moisturization, smells so lovely, and cruelty free. It has no mineral oils, parabens. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm just gonna try dimethicone. So I need to do more research about that. Silicone, synthetic fragrances, no harmful chemicals. Okay. That's 100% natural body butter. Next is their natural dishwashing liquid in lemon clemency. And lemon clemency is fixing the picture. It's lime in English. And has no phosphates, no dyes, no petroleum, no chlorine, no synthetic fragrance, biodegradable and non-toxic. So yeah. And this one too, Human Nature Strawberry Exfoliating Bar. It's 100% no harmful chemicals, no synthetic fragrances, parabens, artificial dyes, EDTA. Yes, I had to make a review about that. Or BHD, no EDTA or BHD. And the carton is 100% recyclable. And under the expiration date, it has John 13:34. 100% natural, cruelty free, and vegan. Next is this. Size sanitizer. It's in citrus burst. I actually got the cool burst one, but it stings a little bit, so I bought this one to try out. It smells like oranges and lemons and lime, and it has no parabens, synthetic fragrances, triclosan, PGs, or other toxic chemicals. So yeah, healthier option. And this one too is also citrus, but it's a hand soap. Human Heart Nature Natural Hand Soap, triclosan free and paraben free. It has no harmful chemicals, 100%. No SLS, SLES, no formaldehyde or other harmful chemicals, synthetic fragrances, triclosan, and parabens. So all of those bens, and sons. I encourage you to do your own research, and I'm gonna do my own research as well. And I think this is the last one. It's Human Heart Nature Toothpaste, natural toothpaste in refreshing mint. It is cruelty-free and vegan, 98.86% natural. It has no triclosan, SLS, and harmful chemicals. So yeah, those are the products that I bought today. This is actually more than $7.99. And I also got 6 of the catalogs. I think this is what you call catalogs. So if I want to share it to my friends, then I can just give it to them. They actually have a lot of products here. And the catalog is a lot of pages. So that's it about Human Heart Nature. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and may God bless you.